Okay, what's happening? What is going on?
Ooh.
Cute.
Oh my God, you look beautiful.
They just keep on calling. She said she.
Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you guys how to do the half up, half down curly style that I've been wearing and getting a lot of questions about. So this is what I look like starting out. To prep for this style, the first thing I did was part my hair straight across from ear to ear.
Pause. Her parts are like immaculate, like by herself. My mom had to do this because I can't see.
For the back half, you just want to make sure it's flat. So I put in a few cornrows and the front section I left out. Alright, now I'm taking some gel and applying that around my hairline so everything is smooth.
Girl, you're going so fast. You're going so fast. Oh my God. Like, y'all ever be watching YouTubers and trying to follow along? And I mean, I get it. They want to edit so that their video isn't super long, but I'm trying to follow.
And put it all into a ponytail.
Her hair is way longer than mine, but we just gonna rock with it.
Next, I'm dividing the ponytail in half and making a twist. Then, of course, as I always like to do, I'm taking a tiny bit more gel around my edges and using my trusty hair toothbrush to shape them.
Cool. So I have my edge brush, my Eco Styler, but I like got to be on my edges. It just stays a little bit longer. What I learned too is that you can't, like, you can definitely follow a tutorial, but if your hair is not the same, honey, it works for you. Cause her hair is like super natural, bomb, pretty long. Mine is not that.
So once my edges are all squared away, it's time for the curly hair. I'm putting on a stocking cap first to protect the section of my hair that's going to be covered.
Put on a stocking cap, like she did.
And then I'm going to use this wig, which I found really inexpensively at my local beauty supply store. I've had this one for quite a while, and I love how handy it is for really quick styles like.
Okay, so she's had her wig for a little bit. I do not have a curly wig on hand, so I got a wig yesterday. It's the Fullcap Drawstring. Let's take this net off so you don't look like a lunch lady. I'm gonna shake her. I mean, it's not the exact same wig, but I think it's cute enough. And here's the stock card for her. So just a little pro tip, if you have a brand new wig and not a used one like her, you want to take some drying shampoo. This is just the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak drying shampoo. And get all in there, get all in there, get all in there. And it just knocks some of that shine off. Like, new wigs have this annoying shine to it that. Let's continue.
This, I'll put the info on it in the description box if any of you guys are interested. So I'm pretty much using this as a half wig. I'm just bringing it up to where the part is and using the combs to attach it to my hair so it's flush to my scalp.
Right. The little twist is not working for me, so we're just gonna do a little top knot.
So from behind the ponytail, I'm pulling out some hair from the wig to use for that.
minute. Oh.
So about this much. And now I'm going to combine the curly hair with the ponytail I've already made, and then use another hair tie and make it all into one single ponytail.
Pause her again because you're going too fast.
I'm going to be using my hair as the base of the bun, so I'm taking the twist and wrapping it around itself and then pinning that in place. Now I'm taking the curly part of the ponytail. I'm making a loose twist.
Okay, what's happening? What is happening? What is going on? Okay. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have tried this before I. What is happening? Here we are. Towards the end of the video.
To bring it all together, and then bringing it around
Hold on.
the base. Bring it around itself, and then pinning that in place.
Okay.
Now,
I had to back up some. So she said, pin the little donut. Y'all see? Pin the little donut.
taking the curly part of the ponytail, I'm making a loose twist to bring it all together, and then bringing it around to cover up the base. I'm shaping the bun to get it in the correct formation, and then I'm pinning it down in place with some hairpins to secure it. The last step is to really anchor down the wig, and before I do that,
Okay.
I'm just making...
I'm not even there yet. Hold on. I'm still trying to get my body pins together. Ooh. Did I rip ya? Did I rip ya? Is this bun too small? What's going on? I mean, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. So she said we're going to start securing the wig. Secure your bag, sis. Secure your wig, sis.
It's positioned so that my natural part is showing, because I think it makes the style look more seamless and natural, like it's actually coming from my scalp. So I always like to do that. And then I'm taking a few more hairpins and pinning it down all around in the back. And that is it.
Mine's not like hers. But I think it's close enough. So a few things. I am about to lay these edges with a scarf. She did not. I mean, she might have, but she didn't on camera. So I'm gonna do that really fast. And then is this bun? Okay, y'all. That looks looking cute. Cute.
Ooh.
Cute.
Oh my God, you look beautiful. You recorded it?
I'm recording right now. Thank you.
You got like reaction?
Yes. If you reacted like this, do I need to cut some of it?
No. Feel my heartbeat.
Don't gas me up.
Perfect curls.
Oh my God.
You look amazing.
So while I lay these edges, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I tried. She's bomb, so you know, do what I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat. I don't really use Snap like that, but we'll get back into it. Everything that I use will be down below in the description box. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, holla at your girl.